USA AC plug 5V2. For a universal fast charger travel adaptee. Type C Tech port for charging Android charger. Samsung original. Input voltage AC 100 volt to 40 volt. Output voltage is DC 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, 16 volt, 20 volt. And max output power is USA AC plug 5V2. 4A. Complete safety protection. OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP. Other. Overcharging. Overcurrent. Overvoltage. Output. USA AC plug 5V2. 4A at 9V, 12V, 15V, 20V, 16V. And certified by all FCC, CE, SAA, PSE. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.